So we're not from Oklahoma originally, and we were kind of surprised that storm shelters don't come standard on a lot of homes. So we really appreciate that that's something that Tabor provides.
I'm Margaret.
And I'm Scott, and we live in Highland Village in Norman. We had looked at Tabor houses for a while, and there were some available when we were getting ready to buy, so just found it there at the right time. I think just the whole process went much more easily than we really anticipated it. We had heard stories from our friends about home buying, and sometimes things went well and sometimes not, but this was just all very smooth and no issues at all.
Right. You had read all kinds of home buying books, and we were like doing all kinds of research, and then
we were like, wow, this was easy.
Right. We were like, this is not at all like the book said it was going to be. At first, I didn't really like bonus room. That was kind of a novelty to me. And now it's like one of our favorite rooms. It's just cozy and...
Yeah, just like a second living room. I think at first we didn't know what we were going to do with it, but It's actually really nice to have.
Yes.
I'd highly recommend it.
Highly recommend it, yeah. No, just with all the features that come standard,
Yeah, and just so much value for your money. I mean, we had looked at other houses by other builders, and for the same price, you get much less standard. So Tabor really gives you your money's worth and more.